The other thing that you'll be able to do around the help system is in search, we're going to have an SDK where you can actually add additional search providers. So let's say that in your corporation you've built up a website over time where you've got a lot of documentation on how you do standardized development for your types of companies, types of applications and things. We'll actually give you the information that effectively makes you it's similar information to what we give CodeWise partners, except instead of you going into the federated store, which is public, you can just add a provider into all your developers' desktops. So when they do a search, now there's a fourth place that they're searching, which is your company's website. And the results will come back right in the help UI inside Visual Studio and look like help results, just like they came from MSDN or CodeWise or wherever.
Oh, that's cool. So if you buy a component, you can plug in the help, right?
It can.
If you buy an Infragistics component, for instance,
mm-hmm.
or when I'm trying to learn programming and I'm playing with Office and the Office integration with explanations for Visual Studio are not great. So maybe the Office team can do a better job and deliver a how do I for Office, right?
Oh yeah, they could absolutely do.
In a Word document, how do I,
yep. Yep, they could do that.
How do I copy text out of an Excel cell or something,
mm-hmm.
put it somewhere else?
Yep. Yeah, so somebody can extend it by adding their own How Do I page or by creating a search provider.
Right.
The How Do I page is easy because that's editing XML. The search provider is a bit more deep. You have to write C# code or VB code, managed code, and you've got to do a bunch of work on your website to attribute your content to show up properly. And
right.
So that's going to be more the search provider work is going to be somebody who's got a fairly substantial amount of content that they want to make available. We have some commercial companies that are actually interested in doing that too.
Okay.
And so, our hope is that, we will, when the time that Visual Studio ships, when Whidbey ships, we'll actually have some commercial providers where you can go out and actually sign up with them. And, you might pay them a subscription fee or something, and they'll let you search their database of content as part of your normal help search and bring it back and stuff. So it's a pretty exciting way to really extend, what you can do inside Visual Studio.